Hey everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Jacob, and in today's video we're going to be talking all about the new Fairlead bracket for 10-inch light bars. This is going to be made for any winch that sits on top of a bumper with an exposed Fairlead. Install is pretty simple, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So starting right off, you can go ahead and attach your light bar to the Fairlead bracket. You'll want to make sure you have the light bar facing the correct way, as you can see here. Notice there's an opening on the bottom of the bracket that'll come in handy here in the next couple steps. Once the light is attached, go ahead and remove the Fairlead. Depending on your Fairlead, this process might differ slightly. Once the Fairlead is removed, go ahead and pull the Fairlead out, and using the opening on the bracket, slide the winch line through and make sure the light bar sits between the Fairlead and the winch plate. Go ahead and tighten the Fairlead bracket. It may be necessary to use longer hardware, but in this instance, we were just fine. And just like that, you're off to the races. Hope you enjoyed this install. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next one, and remember to adventure further.